I think you have joined.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, can you see me?
Yeah.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
Good. How about you?
I'm also good. So I saw that you have done that particular sheet in 1 hour. So it has to be done in 15 minutes. Okay.
Huh? 1 hour?
1 hour. So I can see the timing, how much time you take to do a particular sheet. If you go to the analytics, have you
Yeah.
seen? Have you seen that the photo that I
Like-
sent you? In that it is given that you have taken 1 hour to complete that sheet. So every
Oh, yeah,
question
yeah.
you are taking 1 minute. So that sheet has to be completed not more than we can say 15-20 minutes. None of the sheet in the Excel has got to do more than 30 minutes. That's the maximum. So if you are
Yeah.
taking more of the time than 30 minutes, then it means that you have to redo the sheet. That is the basic principle. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Now coming to a very basic part of mathematics, operation, we can say arithmetic operation. So arithmetic operations involve, how many arithmetic operations are involved in mathematics?
I don't know.
There are four basic arithmetical operations. Those are addition, subtraction.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't know what you meant by arithmetic. I thought.
So mathematics is a language of English only. So if you are not familiar with the words, then it is a problem. So you have to be familiar with the words as well. All right. So
Arithmetic? Arithmetic no. Arithmetic no. I think they don't use arithmetic here.
it's okay, sir. So just then we will be in a usual form. We will just understand each other then. No
Yes,
worries.
yes.
So arithmetic
Sure.
means what we are adding, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right.
Okay.
Now, what is multiplication?
It's where you multiply a number like certain amount of times.
Okay, so okay, it was not in that sense. Let me again clarify you. Okay. So multiplication is a continuous addition. Okay, you can write it as well. Multiplication is a continuous addition. And we need to learn the multiplication tables as well, for which we have been given a calculator, but we need to learn it, because not every time it looks good to take out the calculator and do calculations. So some things are to be estimated, and that can be done if only if you know the multiplication tables. So how it is a continuous addition? Suppose I say 2 plus 2 plus 2. So what does it mean? 2 is added. 2 is added how many times?
3.
3 times. So you can say that this is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you ask what is 13 plus 13 plus 13, and you are doing it how many times? Let us say 10 times. So you are not going to add 13 plus 13 is 26, and then again you will add 39, keep on adding like this. If you know the multiplication table, directly you will go to 130. A number multiplied by 10 is just you add the 0. You know this?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what is 27 into 10?
2,700.
No, 10. It is 270 only.
Oh, yeah, 270, sorry.
Very good. Okay, fine. So there are how many operations? 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now multiplication, as I said, it is a continuous addition. What about what you can say about the division? What the division may be then?
It's like continuous subtraction.
Wonderful.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is a continuous subtraction. So let us take the example of, let us say 10. And 10 is being divided by 2. So what is the meaning of division? You can say it is also the distribution, sharing. We can say it is the equal sharing. Suppose there is a rule that you have got 10 chocolates with you, and there is a rule that you have to share 2 chocolates to every person. You cannot share less than 2, you cannot share more than 2. This is the rule. So the question here arises is that to how many students or friends you can give the chocolate. So suppose you gave the first 2 chocolate to the first person, okay? Then how many you are left with? 8.
Yeah.
Again you gave 2 more chocolates to the second person, you are left with 6. Again you gave 2 chocolates to the third person, you are left with 4. Again you gave 2 more chocolates to the fourth person, you are left with 2. Again you gave 2 chocolates to the fifth person, and you are left with 0. So to how many persons you have given? 5. This is known as quotient. This is known as quotient. And how many chocolates you were arrived to give the rule? This is known as divisor. This is known as divisor. So you see, 2 into 5 is actually equal to 10, and the remainder, that what was left with yourself, was 0. So division has got 4 aspects. One is known as dividend, one is known as divisor, one is quotient, and one is remainder. You know this?
Yeah.
Okay. Please write down.
Yeah.
Please write down dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is the largest of all the numbers. Most of the times. Remainder can never be greater than divisor.
Yeah.
So there is a rule as well. Remainder is always less than divisor, but greater than or equal to 0. So remainder lies between 0 and the divisor.
Okay.
This is a division rule. Alright, for example, if I ask you to divide 10 by 3, so there might be 2 ways of doing it. One is somebody can write 3 into 3 is 9, 1 will be the remainder. There might be another student, you will write 3 into 2 is 6, he will take out 4, again he will write 3 into 1 is 3, and he will get 1 as a remainder, but this is not allowed. Can you tell me what is wrong here?
He's adding too much steps instead of just using the biggest multiple.
Okay, so if you want to find the error here, the error is that 4 is greater than 3. The remainder should be less than divisor. This is what I mean by here. Okay, if you want to find the error, you can say the error is the remainder in the first step is greater than the divisor, which is not allowed. Alright,
Okay.
are you getting this?
Yeah.
Okay. So you understood what is division. You can see the division is the continuous subtraction. The chocolates were continuously subtracting and ultimately you got 0. You may get 1 as well, depending upon what is the rule through which you are dividing. So a number, if it exactly divides, it is known as a factor. If it is not exactly dividing, then it is not a factor. Okay?
Okay.
So now I want to know about prime numbers. Do you know about prime numbers? What are prime numbers?
Yeah, they're kind of odd numbers, right?
Odd
numbers that you can't. Not numbers you can't.
So do you know what is the definition of prime number?
Not the exact.
Okay,
definition.
please write down along with me. Prime number. Write down along with me. When I am saying the definition, you also write and you can also repeat. So numbers having 2 factors. Say numbers having 2 factors 1 and itself are known as prime numbers. What are they known as? Prime numbers. Okay. Then there is one more definition for composite number. You know what are composite numbers?
They're like numbers you can't divide. Like,
so numbers having three factors. Okay. It is a simple definition. Numbers having three or more factors. It can be minimum 3, the maximum can be anything, are known as composite numbers. So the minimum prime number is 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, it goes on like this, the list is on. But we have to remember the first 25 prime numbers. Have you written up to here?
yeah.
Written?
Yeah.
Okay. So one more example for composite number is the minimum composite number is 4. You can say 6, 8, 9. But before proceeding towards the prime number, I would like to know whether you know about what is divisibility rule.
Divisible table?
Yeah, divisibility rule. Divisibility rule means by looking at the number, you are in a position to tell whether this number is divisible by this number or not. For example, if I write 24 and I ask you, is this number divisible by 2 or not?
Yeah.
What about 1024?
Yeah.
So, is it divisible by 3 as well?
I'm not.
So the
I'm
time,
not sure.
okay, so you are not sure because the time that you are taking, you don't know whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So if you don't know whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, that means you are not aware of the divisibility rule of 3. So if you learn the divisibility rule of all first 10 numbers, then by looking at the number, it is very easy to understand whether this is divisible by the particular number or not. Why this is useful? To bring the number in the simplest form. Suppose the question given to you is here 4 by 8 and you write your answer as 4 by 8, but this is not the right answer. You have to write in the simplest form. So if you know that 8 is divisible by 4, you can cancel both these numbers and you can write the answer as 1 by 2.
Yeah.
But how you will know whether this number is divisible by? So for that you have to learn the divisibility rule. So let us write the divisibility rule of first 10 numbers. So first I am going to write divisibility rule and you also put the heading divisibility rule. If I am too fast, you can stop me, you can pause me and again ask anything that you are not getting.
Okay.
These are some basic things, so that's why I am a bit fast. So first I am going to write the divisibility rule for 2. So you write a number is divisible by 2 a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit, when I say the last digit, I mean unit digit, is also divisible by 2, is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. What I said? A number is divisible by 2. You can repeat after me. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And such numbers are known as even numbers. What are they known as?
Even numbers.
Even numbers. Now if I write a number, you will be in a position to tell me quickly. Tell me what is 10078. Is this divisible?
I'm still writing that down.
It's okay. You keep writing and answering me. Okay?
Okay.
So 10078. Is this divisible?
By what?
2 only.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just checking the execution whether you get this or not.
Yeah.
Is this
It's
divisible? Okay.
No, that's not.
Okay, 10 suits. What about this?
No.
What about this now?
Yeah.
Okay, write down. So this is not divisible, this is divisible, this is divisible.
Yeah.
So a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8.
Yeah.
So done?
Yeah.
Such numbers are known as even numbers. Okay, good one. Now the divisibility rule for 3. So before proceeding to the divisibility rule for 3, I would like to introduce you about the digital sum. I don't think that you might have heard this word earlier.
Yeah, I don't know that.
Yeah, so many less of the persons know about digital sum. Digital sum is a very basic thing. You have to add all the digits, that's it. And you have to tell me the result in digits only. So first question to you is, and I hope that you will not incorrect the answer. The answer should be correct only. Okay, so basic question, think and respond. Don't be fast. The question is, how many digits are there in mathematics?
In mathematics,
How many digits are there?
like,
I will not elaborate the question. The question is simple. How many digits are there in mathematics? That's it. You have to answer, think and answer the question.
wait, in the word mathematics?
In the whole of the mathematics.
Oh, digits?
There. From me.
Uh,
You don't?
You can have a guess as well.
okay. Like, infinity?
How many?
Infinity?
Infinity. Very good. Okay. Can you tell me how many words are there in English dictionary?
English dictionary?
You can give an approximate. I'm not talking about exact. You can give me an 1,000, 10,000, 32,000, 32 billion. Any guess is allowed. How many words are there in English? How many?
I think, like, these 7 million.
7 million. Good, good. Okay. Tell me how many alphabet are there in English language?
Oh, 25.
25 or 26?
26.
26 alphabet. So all those words which you talk about, 7 million words, are they made of only 26 alphabet?
Yeah.
Any other? Only 26 alphabets are used, right? How many digits are there in mathematics? Now I will again revise the question. How many digits are there in mathematics? If there are 26 alphabet in English, how many digits are there in mathematics? How many digits you are using to build a number?
Yeah, 10.
10. Very good. So how many digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10 digits are there. Alright. So when I say about digital sum, I am talking about to add the digits. So there is a difference between a digit and a number. For example, if I write 2, 4. So the digits used are 2 and 4. But the number is not 2, 4. The number is 24. And why it is 24? Because 2 is on the tens place. So we multiply this by 10. So it became 20. And 4 is multiplied by 1 because it is at the ones place. So it becomes 4. So the number becomes 24. But the digits used are 2 and 4. So if I ask what is the digital sum of this number, you just need to add the digits. What is 2 plus 4? What is 2 plus 4? 6.
6.
Okay, so let us play some game. I will ask you to add the digits and you have to tell me the answer. Okay, so
Rebecca, can I use the bathroom?
yeah, please.
Sorry, I went outside and we were late by 5 minutes.
It's okay, sir. See,
You don't you just got up in the morning.
yes, sir. Why not? This is not the first time I'm doing, sir. Out of if you say that 10 classes from Monday to Friday, I am scheduled with 9 classes. Only one slot is left. That is on Saturday, 6 to 7 a.m. Or all slots are booked now. So as of now, I am not taking any demo. I have stopped taking all the.
When I was joining, it was showing one more student name actually.
Yeah, so that was my son's name because there might be some technical problem with you joining, so you might ask for me a link. So the link can be sent only if I have my son's ID in that account, so that if I ask to send the link, so that particular link will come to me again and then I can share you the link.
Okay.
So I do that because just for helping others. If you can join from yourself, then it is not required, but I do that because most of the times the parents say or the students say, sir, I'm not getting it, please send me the link. So I can't share the link if I only don't have the link. The link comes at your mail ID. So if my son's name is there, so my son's ID, the link will come in my son's ID as well. So from there I can copy the link and share with you.
Got it.
So
What's his son? Something like Ketan?
Kian,
Kian, yeah.
Kian,
Okay.
K-I-Y-A-N, Kian. So he is also my student.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, he is in grade 9.
How is he doing in math?
He is doing fine. Yes.
Amazing.
We have got multiple things with us. So like we have got QMath, we have got IXL. So he has got a lot of practice sheets to learn it.
Okay.
IXL is the best one. I can guarantee that in IXL it is very easy to access all the sheets from grade 1 to grade 12, and those are also structured way. I rarely see that he is being doing IXL. For the last 1 month, I saw that there was only 1 or 2 sheets he has tried.
Yes, that's because it got, it resets. I think they create a new idea or something.
Okay.
The previous years is gone. The whole history is gone.
Okay, fine. Okay, no issue.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so ready, Adit? So I'm writing a number, you have to tell me the digital sum. Okay, so tell me for 1, 2, 3. Tell me what is the digital sum?
6.
What is for 19?
10.
You can't say 10. The answer has to be in digits. 10 is not a digit. The digital sum has to be said in digits only.
1, 0.
So 1 0 means 1 plus 0 is how much? 1 only.
Oh, yes. 1, yeah. So 9 plus 1.
What about 29?
2 plus 9. Or,
2 plus 9 is how much?
yeah, it's 11. But how do you want me to say it?
So,
You said to say it.
No, again add 1 plus 1. You have a number. So when you add 2 plus 9, you get 11. Again add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much?
2.
2.
Why should we add 1? Oh no, I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it now.
Okay. You will get it with some examples. What is 39?
3.
Very good. If you are looking at the pattern, can you tell me what will be 59?
5.
Very good. What could be this? Can you find for this as well?
Yeah. That is 7.
Wonderful. Can you find for this?
Yeah. 3.
Very good. So I will bring a point here. See, 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. This is 9. So have you added all the digits?
Yeah.
You don't need to. You can ignore the digits which are forming 9. You see, the 9 is playing no important role in making the change in the digital sum. Can you see that? When I add 1 plus 9, I got 1 only. When I added 2 plus 9, I got 2 only. When I added 3 plus 9, I'm getting 3 only. 5 plus 9 is 5 only. So 7 plus 9 means 9 is making no difference. And why is it so? You just check it out. Suppose I add a number 9 to any given number. So what is happening? See, what is the result? 41. Now stay focused here. You see what has happened to 2. 2 is reduced by 1 and 3 is increased by 1. So ultimately it is balanced. If you see, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So if you add 9 to any number, the digital sum will not get changed. It is very important line. What I said, if you add 9 to any digits, any sum, the digital sum will not get changed. So we use this in the power of finding the divisibility rule. Okay, you understood what is digital sum?
Yeah.
Now let us write the table of 3 now. So I am writing the table of 3 up to 15. And I will also write the digital sum as well. So 3 into 1 is how much? You can write along with me. 3. 3 into 2 is how much? 6. 3 into 3 is how much? 9. 3 into 4 is how much? 12. 3 into 5 is how much? 15. 3 into 6 is how much? 18. 3 into 7 is how much? 21. 3 into 8 is 24. 3 into 9 is 27. 3 into 10 is 30. 3 into 11 is 33. 3 into 12 is 36. 3 into 13 is 39. 3 into 14 is 42. 3 into 15 is 45. Now I am going to write the digital sum.
Yeah. 1 minute. Let me just copy.
Yes.
Wait. Get it down.
So can you tell me what is the digital sum of this? 3. For the second one, 6. For the third one, 9. Can you tell me the digital sum for the fourth one?
Yeah. 3.
Very good. For the fifth one?
6.
For the sixth one?
9.
For the seventh one?
3.
For the eighth one?
6.
For the ninth one?
9.
For the 10th one?
3.
Again?
6.
Again?
9.
Again?
Wait, is it like it just goes in a pattern, right?
Yeah. It is you who found the pattern today. Good one. So what is the pattern?
Yeah.
What is the pattern? The number, the digital sum of the number is either 3, 6 or 9.
Yeah.
So we can write the divisibility rule of 3. You can write along with me. A number is divisible by 3 a number is divisible by 3 if the digital sum is 3, 6 or 9. Only if it is 3, 6 or 9, the number is divisible by 3. And one of the important thing that you have to see here is, and you can make a star and you can write, you should ignore you should ignore 3, 6 or 9 while finding digital sum. What I said, you should ignore 3, 6 or 9 while finding the digital sum. Why I am asking you? Say this. Suppose I have been given a number, a big number, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, or I want you to give me a number. Tell me. Give me a number. 5-digit number, 6-digit number.
3, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Okay. Now say this. I can ignore this 3, 6 and 9 because they are already divisible by 3.
Yeah.
So I will add just 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. 12 means 1 plus 2 is 3. So that means the digital sum is 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope that you understood this part.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Coming to the divisibility rule of 4 now.
Okay.
So
I should write this down, right?
so this one?
No, the divisible table by 4.
Yeah, you must write.
Okay.
So first we are going to write the table of 4 up to 100, up to 25. I will write in a certain pattern. You just see the pattern and then you start writing. The pattern is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and then you write from here again, repeating in the same manner. And you have to write up to 100. 100 means the last digit will be 100 ending here. So 4 into 11 is 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 88, 92, sorry, 84, 88, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100. Please write down in the same manner.
Okay.
I think you read anything.
I think so.
Okay.
Done. Can you see a pattern here as you find the pattern in the previous case? Can you see any pattern?
Yeah, the first digit, it increases by 2. And the last digit, it's like the same for the rows coming.
Okay. So I want to bring to your notice one more pattern, that the last digit you can see they are ending with 4 only.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Okay. Can you see? Okay, fine. Good one. So I want to bring to your notice that the number ending with 4, 8 and 0, you see the previous digit. The previous digit is an even number. Can you see that 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even number?
Yeah.
0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 6 and 8, 0. All these numbers are even numbers. Now let us talk about the numbers ending with 2 and 6. So the numbers ending with 2 and 6, what is the previous digit? Can you see it is odd? Can you see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers?
Yeah.
here also 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So we can write, and if you see what will be the next number, that will be divisible by 4, 104, 108. So the same loop will keep repeating. Alright, so we will say a number is divisible by 4, and you can write as well. If the last two digits are divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4. Okay, for example, if I write 1, 0, and how to check the last two digits? So you can categorize them into two parts. One part is the number ending with 0, 4 and 8. So you have to look at the two digits. So the previous digit must be even number.
Yeah.
And if the last digit ends with 2 and 6, the previous digit must be an odd number. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Suppose I write a number in front of you, 10276. Tell me, is this divisible by 4 or not?
No.
See the last digit, it is ending with 6.
6.
So is the previous number odd?
Yeah.
I told you what are odd numbers. So this is divisible by 4. Alright. If I write 4 here, is this divisible by 4 now?
Yeah.
See the last digit 4. See the previous digit, it has to be an even number. So 6 is an even number. So it is divisible. If I write 6 here, is it divisible?
Yeah.
See last digit. See the last digit. Last digit is ending with 2 and 6. So what is the previous number?
Yeah, I'm not really understanding it too much. Can you explain again?
Yes. So I said, if you see the pattern carefully, you can see that there are two kinds of numbers. One is ending with 4, 8 and 0. And if you look at the previous digit, it is an even number. 0 is an even number, 2 is an even number, 4, 6 and 8. These are known as even numbers. In the first definition of the divisibility rule of 2, I told you what are even numbers. So if you look at carefully, the digits ending with 0, 4 and 8, the previous digit, the tens digit, is an even number. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And the digits ending with 2 and 6, the previous digit is an odd number. So I have given you a number and I have asked you whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So the first thing that you have to look is, you have to look at these two numbers. Not all the numbers, only these two numbers. And in that, if you see the number is, the last digit is 6, that means it lies here, it belongs to this category. Then the previous digit allowed is only odd. So it can be only 1, 3, 5 or 7 or 9. It can't be 4. And if it is 4, then it means it is not divisible. You can check as well. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Sure. So let me write 1027646 divided by 4. I will get the answer in decimal. So decimal means it is not a factor.
Yeah.
Okay. Again I am asking you. Tell me, is this digit divisible? Is the whole number divisible by 4? Check the last digit. What is the last digit?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Why? Because the last digit is 8 and the previous digit has to be an even number. Can you tell me what are the other digits that are allowed so that I can replace this 6 so that it is divisible by 8?
Like 4, 6, 8.
Okay, good one. So if I ask you what is the maximum digit I can replace by 6 so that it is divisible by 4?
8.
What is the maximum digit I can replace 6 by so that it is not divisible by 4?
Oh, not divisible. Like 7.
Why
No,
not?
no, not
9. What is the lowest digit if I want to replace this 6? What is the lowest digit that I can do so that it is divisible by 6 or 4? So 0. I can
0.
replace 6 by 0. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. If I need to change this digit, what is the minimum digit I can put here so that it is divisible by 4?
Like,
So you have got only 3 options. If the previous digit is an even, you have got only 3 options: 0, 4 or 8. So the lowest digit is 0. The maximum digit is 8.
yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So you
now
have,
I-
okay, so you got the divisibility rule of 2 today. You got to learn the divisibility rule of 3. You knew about the additional sum, and you saw the pattern in the table of 3 as well. Okay, and you saw the pattern in the table of 4 as well. And you might already be knowing the pattern of 5 as well. I hope you know it.
Yeah.
What is the pattern of 5?
Like, oh, I thought you were talking about the.
What is divisibility rule of 5? A number is divisible by 5 if I write half of the statement. If, complete this, a number is divisible by 5, what should be the rule? If the last digit is, what pattern you see in the table of 5? Either 0 or 5. You see, all the numbers that are ending with 0 or 5 are always divisible by 5. You see the table of 5, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, 20, 25. It goes on like this. You can see the pattern keeps repeating.
Yeah.
Understood for 5 as well?
Yeah.
Good one. Now coming back to the first part of the question which I said about the arithmetic operation. So there are certain rules to do the arithmetic operation. In US, the rule is known as PEMDAS. You know this?
Yeah.
So what is the full form of PEMDAS?
Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
Very good. So you have to follow this rule. So first thing that you will solve is parenthesis.
Parentheses.
The second thing you will solve is exponent. If there is any exponent, you know what are exponents?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
Okay. The third thing you will solve is
Multiplication,
then
division.
no.
and-
That is a myth. So you can solve any of these two simultaneously. It is not that you can solve multiplication, you can solve division as well, but there is a rule in that as well. It has to be done from left to right. It has to be done from left to right. I am asking you a question, answer me. 5 divided by 25 divided by 5. Can you tell me what is the answer? 99% of the students fail in this. Can you tell me? I am just warning you so that you can be sure enough that what you are going to give the answer is correct. Can you tell me what is the answer for this question? You can try. I am not threatening you, but I am warning you that 99% of the students give the false answer for this. So I hope you to be along the 1% to tell me what is the answer for this. Easy question.
Okay. 3.5.
How much?
3.5.
3.5. Are you understanding my handwriting? Are you understanding my handwriting?
Oh,
This is 5
that's 20.
divided by 25 divided by 5.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it.
Tell me then. It's an easy question. You do whatever you think. No need to think too much. Just let me know. Either you will fail or you will pass. But anyway, you will learn. Tell me.
Okay. Like,
Oh my God, is this too tough? What you're doing? Can't you tell me what is the answer? Whatever you are thinking is right. Tell me what is the answer.
What is 5 divided by 25? Why don't you do that? Like, yeah.
no, because
5. And then 5 divided by 5.
one. I'm just trying to see if there's any other answer.
You think loud when you're thinking, right? You think loud so that we know whether you're thinking right or wrong.
Yeah, I mean, I got one at first, but I was just trying to see if there was like any mistakes in that.
No, don't do everything in your mind. Just think loud when you're thinking.
Yeah,
So what is your answer?
one.
I told you that many of the students do wrong. So you are saying that 1. Okay, let us see. So 5 divided by 25 can be written as 5 into 1 by 25. You know this? The division sign can be changed to multiplication. And we do the reciprocal. Again, the same thing has to be done here. So the answer is 1 by 25. I told you already 99% of the students fail in this, and you are among that as well. All right.
Even I was just 99%.
It happens, sir. It happens. So what most students do, I say that they do 5 divided by 5 and then again they cancel 5 by 5 and then they get the answer as 1.
Yeah.
All right. So the division has to be done from, please keep it in your mind, from left to right. You will solve left to right, not right to left. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So now this has to be followed here as well. So I'm opening the Excel sheet, and this time I want you to do in just not more than 30 minutes. I will show you how a sheet is being done. And so a very important sheet, B25. And one of my favorites, see how to do it. So the student will do 2 plus 1, 3 into 4, 12, but that is not the case. First you have to follow the PEMDAS. So first you have to do 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. See, easy. Again, you can do anything in the addition and subtraction. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is how much? 6.
Yeah.
Here 2 by 2 is how much? 1. And 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. I hope you are getting this.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Now the student will do 6 plus 4, 10, 10 into 9, 90, which is not the case. First you have to do add. First you have to multiply. So 9 into 4 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42.
Yeah.
Now what you will do first, tell me.
First you have to do division.
So 6 by 2 is how much?
3.
3 plus 8 is how much?
11.
11. Wonderful. Tell me for this. Be quick.
Huh? Oh yeah. It's 43.
43? Come on. How you got 43?
God.
What is 8 into 7?
48. I mean 58.
56. Okay.
Oh yeah.
You have been caught in not knowing the multiplication table. So that is the first thing that you will do. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So here is a sheet for you. We have a beautiful program here. So you have to again switch to the previous grade. You have been promoted now. Can you see the grade 5 sheets?
Yeah.
Okay, in that you have to do this. Where is it? Multiplication in zeros. No, not this. So I think it's in 4th grade. So promoted one more. Okay, yes. So why don't you try these sheets now? Multiplication facts to 12. Multiplication facts to 10. Not now. You can practice this, and I want to time it as well. I will check in how much time you are doing it. Okay. So you can see the multiplication table of one digit number by, okay. So I will give you in the homework, don't worry. I will specifically tell you which sheet to do. So there are lot many sheets in the previous cases. So division facts to 12. So the first thing that you should do is multiplication, this 3 sheet, F1, F2, F3 and F4, F5. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. This you have to do in 4th grade.
Yeah.
Which sheet? F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. Without any mistake. Okay. Then you come here. You don't know the multiplication table. Then how is it possible to do this sheet? You have to remember the table. Yes.
I just get like I don't do good under pressure.
No pressure. Who is going to beat you? I am virtual. I am virtual here. Your parents are fair enough. They are good enough to protect you. So who is going to, why you are in a pressure? You have to enjoy the class. The class is not meant to pressurize you. The class is meant to play games.
I think what he is trying to say was the last question.
Okay.
7 times 8.
Okay. Then it's okay. Okay.
After he got it wrong under pressure.
Okay. Then tell me what is 7 into 9?
63.
Very good. What is 9 into 7 then?
63.
What is 12 into 9?
Huh? Oh, 12 into 9. That's 98. No wonder I asked you. Really.
So multiplication facts of 12 at least you have to do. You have to remember the table up to 19. Up to what number?
Yeah.
19.
19.
It should be like this. If I ask you what is 19 into 8, you should tell me, sir, it is 152. If I ask you what is 18 into 7, you should tell me, sir, it is 126. You have to be that fast. You have to be ahead of yourself. Okay, make a new Adit 2.0. Okay, chalo, let's meet day after tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.